Hello and welcome to another quick video about Cardano. I just want to address this because I had a few comments in the last few in the comment section of the last few videos asking me about what the Cardano giveaway event was, and I know a lot of people have addressed it already on their channel. I haven't really talked about it that much. I've addressed it in some videos, but I just wanted to make one standalone video on that. Hopefully it will rank high. So please hit the like button, subscribe, and please also comment a lot under this video because this allows it to rank higher. And as you can see here, if I type in Cardano giveaway live, you see a lot of these scams actually still ranking quite high. So what we want to make sure with this video that we can rank very high, and that people who look for Cardano giveaway live will realize that these live giveaways are actually scam. So I really want to address this issue of ADA Cardano giveaways in this video. Just want to make everybody also, if you're just joining this channel, you haven't heard about the Cardano giveaway, please make sure you understand it, because what happens is there are people whose accounts get hacked or whose YouTube accounts get hacked very professionally, and then people are setting up fake videos, very professionally edited. They appear to be live videos. And actually what they do is like a replay of just some cutouts with maybe even Charles Hoskinson's videos. It appears to be legit, very professionally done. What they say, you get a lot of ADA. If you send me ADA, you get more ADA back. And many people, honestly, many people have fallen for this. Don't do it. Never send your ADA to anyone. Nobody on YouTube will ask for your ADA and really will give you ADA back. There's nothing free. There's nothing free in the ADA space. The only way to get ADA for free is by staking. Then you get rewards, but that is legit. But these Cardano giveaways on YouTube, they are just fake. They are scam. They are very, very annoying. Even Charles Hoskinson has addressed this in his update videos. These are, of course, proper videos, but he's talking about giveaway scams. He's addressed this a few times. And there again, he's addressed it here. A lot of other YouTubers have addressed it, talking about Cardano giveaway scams. Again, here he addressed it, but you want to make sure that you don't click on any dodgy looking live stream, which just is, and then it sounds too good to be true. I mean, you can click on it if you're curious, but never send anyone any ADA. The problem is if you click on it, it might even rank higher because of the YouTube algorithm. So please, if you are subscribed to this channel, you might see one of these. Never ever do it. And the reason I do this video is because, first of all, I had a few comments asking me what that was, giveaway. And then if you look for Cardano here on YouTube, and we can see that Cardano giveaway 2021 is actually ranking. It's already ranking as a keyword here. It's ridiculous. So even if we type in giveaway, there's so many giveaway live, people looking for this. Giveaway Reddit, giveaway today, giveaway legit. Okay, people understand then hopefully that it's not legit. Giveaway real, giveaway event. How many people are actually looking for this? It's ridiculous. So please make sure you don't click on these videos, these strange, weird videos with a photo of Charles Hoskinson. It's just ridiculous, and never ever send anyone your ADA. So please help this particular video to rank high, to warn others, and never fall for these scams. Please never send anyone your ADA. That's the best way to protect yourself from any scams. And also make sure when you download a wallet like a Yoroi wallet that you download the correct one, that you don't fall for it, that you never ever use a fake website. It's sometimes hard to pick out, but you can also identify it from reviews on Google Play Store, for example. But this is the main reason for this video, just these YouTube giveaway scams. They are still running. I know that some crypto organizations, they've actually launched lawsuits against YouTube because they're not doing enough for it. But I think you can also report these, for example. So I'm going to do this now. You can spam or misleading and report. So I've just reported this channel. If you see anything like that, any sort of weird live streams, yeah, please don't fall for it. And hit the like button on this video. Subscribe if you haven't done so for more Cardano content. And comment, please. Commenting is very important because that allows a video to rank higher. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.